Guess what I'm going to build? The pattern that I will use for this mallet is actually a scroll saw pattern, but I believe you can easily do it on a bandsaw, which is exactly what I will do. The wood I choose is maple and mahogany. Okay, and that's how the mallet will go together. And now all I have to do is a lot of sanding. The glue up will be made in several steps, because once I have everything assembled, I won't be able to sand the outside. Okay, this handle will only be put in place temporarily, and I hope that I can remove it before it sticks to the glue. I leave the handle in a little bit proud so that it will not stick to the glue, but I leave it in as a kind of wedge so that the glue won't shift while it dries. Okay, just some quick sanding to make sure that everything will line up flush. Now, it's not that I don't trust the glue joint, but I like to reinforce the glue joint with some dowels just to be on the safe side. Now, before I put the handle in place, I would sand the head, because it's much easier to do this now. And now I will shape the handle. That's a tight fit. And now I drill 2 holes for 2 dowels. I will use boiled linseed oil to finish this mallet.